Ekhasini lethu le Facebook sibuze ukuthi ingabe unelwazi elingangani nge-TB nokuthi yini okwaziko ngokuzivikela njengoba namhlanje kulilanga lokuyelelisa nge-TB ephasini lonke. Asizwe ilwazi labalaleli.
Ndenze ukuthi aye ekliniki or emtholapilo oseduze bamthatha isikhwehlela noma bamenze ama-test ukuthi bakhona ukubona ukuthi umuntu lo uphile njani.
Abantu kufanele bavula amafestera ekuseni abavukako bangabhemisani nakakhohlela umuntu azivala umlomo akhohlelele kude angakhohlele ehlangana nabantu.
Uma ngabe ngithimula noma ngikhwehlela ngisebenzisa indololwane noma ngisebenzisa isaldo ukuthi ngithimelele kulo ukuze ama-germs engaspread eye komunye. Lokho kungasiza kakhulu elokhuzeni kuvikeleni ekutheni ingandi ilokhuzana i-TB.
Ingxaki abantu xa ene-TB umuntu akasihoyi usela utshwala umuntu kodwa une-TB.
Isifo sesifuba sisifo esikhohlakele kakhulu esifuna ukunakwa ngamaxesha onke kuba kaloku uba uke wangasinaki hey msasa zingathethwa enye into abantu ke mabahlale bezihlola.
Umbono ngeyombukeli i-SABC ayizukuthesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Izazi ngezomthetho zithi umthetho omlingwa okhibelelwako oqale umthetho wezekhetho unemchapho eminingi. Umthetho wezekhetho kufanele uchugululwe ngemva komlayo ithwayamlando owenziwe ikhotho yezemthethosisekelo othole ukuthi ikhuphula umthethosisekelo nangabe abongikhethana abazijamileko abakavumeleki ukuthi bangenele ikhetho. Umthetho omlingwa lo bekuyindaba ekhamba phambili neqaliswa ngelihlo elibukhali econferencini yezemthethosisekelo eGalaga Conference Center eMidrand.
Njengombana ikhetho lena khaliseduze ngomnyeko zawo umthetho omlingwa wezekhetho wokhibelela uqalisiswa zizazi zomthethosisekelo njengombana kuthiwa unemchapho eminingi.
The bill remains fundamentally flawed because it doesn't deliver an equitable electoral system. It's not an electoral system that's going to enhance accountability. It's not an electoral system that's going to give a meaningful role for independent candidates to play in our politics going forward.
Unaidube khuluma econference eqala indaba zomthethosisekelo ibandleni lezokuphatha nokuchuguluka kwemithetho yezamakhetho. Izazi zithi hlangenwe kanengi bona kuboniswane ngokuchuguluka komthetho omlingwa wezamakhetho okhibelela kodwa lokho akhange kwenzeke.
The electoral amendment bill, as I say, the process in my view was a failure of parliamentary public participation. It did not engage in any meaningful way with any other electoral system that may be more appropriate.
We don't
have a voice. As a person living with disabilities, they are killing our brothers and sisters. They are getting raped every day in our house. Kill feminists, but they didn't say nothing. Raise our right, raise our voice.
I have no problem with anybody from anywhere in the world working anywhere in South Africa doing whatever, but the public representative role should be for people born in South Africa.
It is said that the true health of a democracy is the ability for citizens to elect who they want to lead them and also to remove.
Yaphela iconference le yezokubonisana ngomthethosisekelo namhlanje.
I-ANC iwuvote lokuphikisa ukusungulwa kwekomiti yeParliamente ezokuphenya izongobatsho yezehlakalo zokukhwabanisa nokuzitapela kwa-Eskom.
Isiphakamiso sokubana kusungulwe ikomiti le senziwe yi-DA. I-EFF ingezelele esiphakamisweni esingokubana kuphenywa amakontraka ahlukahlukene kwa Eskom. Kodwana i-ANC iphikise isiphakamiso esingokuthi ikambiso yeParliament yakhathesi nokubekwa kukangqongqoshe wegezi ngikho kuzokusiza kurarululeni imiraro ekhona kwa Eskom. Amavoti we-ANC abe 201 kwathi wenhlangano eziphikisako aba 115.
I move to insert in paragraph 6A, after the word Eskom, the following words, including inquiring into all coal contracts, all evergreen contracts, and all contracts between Eskom and smelting companies. I so move, House Chair.
The ANC objects.
House Chair, you had put the amendment to the House and you had asked if there are no objections. At that point, there were no objections. Now you are putting the question to the House with the draft resolution, with the amendment included. And now the ANC has raised the objection. I think it's important for the record. And I would like to call for a division, please, House Chair.
Honorable members, the results of the division is as follows. Those who said yes to the motion, 115. Those who said no, 201.
Inhlangano eziphikisako ezivotela isiphakamiso yi-DA, i-EFF, i-IFP, i-Freedom Front Plus, i-ACDP, i-UDM, i-NFP kunye ne-PAC.
Sisaraga neendaba zamandla kuzokuriyada pheze ngenyanga ezimbili ukusebenza kweunity yokuthoma ezikweni eliphehla amandla wenuzi iKubek Nuclear Power Station eKapa. Ungqongqotshe wezegezi uGosiyenso Ramokgopa umemezele lokhu ezikweni leli njengengcenye yevakatsho lakhe lamapower enarheni lezombelele. Lokhu kutsho bona ukusatshalaliswa kwegezi kuzokuhlayela ngama-megawatt afune kakhulu ayi-920 aphakelwa yi-unit le bekufike ubusika.
iKubek ngilo lodwa iziko eliphehla amandla wenuzi enarheni le. Ngemtshina embili nje kwaphela khona ukuphehla ama-megawatts ayi-1800 egezini ephakelwe enarheni. Izinto eziriyadisiweko ngobuya kwe-unit 1 ekhutshweko yokulungiswa, ukuthelwa kwembaseli nokujanyiselelwa kwama-generator asebenza ngomrhwamuko wamanzi abilako.
I did say just now that Kubek is delayed. The 920 megawatts will not meet the target of 23rd of July because management on their own account, there were things that were unforeseen and as a result is not able to come back on stream.
Abosonjiniyera bathi ukujanyiselelwa ngama-generator womrhwamuko wamanzi abilako enye yawo ekhutshwa iveke le kuyaraga njengoba i-unit iphasi nje ngenxa yokulungiswa. Phambilini namhlanje uRamokgopa uvakatshele i-Ankerleg Power Station e-Atlantis ekungenye amaplanta aphehla amandla werhasi enarheni le begoda ekhona ukukhiqiza ama-megawatts angaphezu kwe-1300. Ukungasebenzi kuhle kwamaziko aphehla igezi ngamalahle kunye neKubek enarheni le kuthwesa iplanta yamandla werhasi ubudisi.
The peaking stations must come in and your open cycle gas turbines are the ones that are consuming the diesel. So we should be in a position to make the case. But to avoid that situation is to improve the performance of the 14 power stations.
uRamokgopa uthe vakatsheni lakhe bekube nje akunanto entshengisako bona ukungasebenzi kuhle okhu kubangelwa bukhohlakali. Bewatsho nokuthi akalindele kubona ukuqindeliswa kwegezi kukhuphuke bekweqele ngale kwesigaba sesithandathu nayisetshenziswa khulu ebusika banonyaka.
Nasibuya entolo.
Section 27 ka mokgwa dirang app ye ke kwa ke thabile kudu ka ba bantši ba tla kgona go e bona and app e tla kgona go thuša le government gore kgone go yagela bana ba rena di-toilet.
Umndeni womntwana wabhubha ngemva kokuwela ngemgodini wendlwana yokuzithuma uthi unathemba lokuthi ijima lomphakathi liza nobungcono. Zindaba zesiNdebele ku SABC 1 nawusanda ukufika hlala umdzinze siyakwamukela. Umndeni womntwana wesikolo neminyaka emihlanu ubudala owabhubha ngemva kokwela emgodini wendlwana yokuzithuma esikoleni eLimpopo ngo-2014 uMichael Komape uthi unathemba lokuthi ijima elisungulwe zinhlangano zomphakathi emahlelweni wezokuthindana lizokulekelela ngemfundo bandulo zokukhandela ukuthi kungasaba namunye umfundi owehlelwa yihlekelele efana nale.
bakwaKomape babuka ukuzinikela kwenhlangano zomphakathi ebesolo sigidla ikhotho nangelandelela emalungana nesiqundo esethulwa ikhotho ngo-2021 sokulayela umnyango wezefundo eLimpopo ukuthi ususe zonke izindlu zokuphumela ezimigodi enkolweni. I-app izokuveza tshachalazi umhlahlandlela womnyango wezefundo eLimpopo malungana nendima ese uyilimile ngomsebenzi wokuqeda indlwana zokuphumela ezimigodi.
Section 27 ka mokgwa e dirang app ye ke kwa ke thabile kudu ka ba bantši ba tla kgona go e bona and app e tla kgona go thuša le government gore e kgone go yagela bana ba rena di-toilet.
Namhlapha nje ke kwabikwa somntwana weminyaka emine obudala naye owawela ngaphakathi komgodi wendlu yokuzithuma ePumalanga Kapa.
Ge re kwa tšela tša bana ba ko extensive gore ngwana o wetse ka toilet ke ntho e le gore mamothale bona re nyako dia epo ya Michael Komape e be yona e tlo thuša gore bona a ne le bothata mo dikolong e be yena a šomiša epo ya Michael Komape.
Umnyango wezefundo sisekelo uthi kuphezulu ehleleni lawo lamaqalo ndanzi.
Work is taking place. The Director General of the Department of Basic Education is crisscrossing the country to monitor the work that is being done by our implementing agents who have given contracts to companies that are delivering on the work.
Kodwa nakabo kukhanya kuhle ukuthi ngakhane umnyango wezefundo eLimpopo uzabe uqedile.
Nakusenjalo, iSection 27 yethula ihlelo le-internet iMichael Komape Sanitation Progress Monitor. Umndeni wakwaKomape uthi uthabe khulu bona kusungulwa ihlelo eli lezokuthintana ngegama lendoda nabo ukuqala imphumela ngendlwana zemgodi zokuphumela. Umnyango wezefundo uqale bona uqede indlwana zemgodi enkolweni.
Something great about this tool is that it will empower civil society and SGBs and learners with the information they need to go to district offices and to go to the Department of Education in their provinces and say, look, this is what's wrong. So that's one thing we're hoping will be achieved through this tool, and it would be incredible if we could have different provincial, if we could have data on the different provinces and enable school communities to do the same thing and empower that with that information, because especially in the rural provinces, people don't have access to information.
Ilunga lomkhandlo lawo lesikolo esinye isikolo eLimpopo uthi kubhlungu khulu ukulinda imphumela. Umnyango wezefundo eLimpopo ubhalile ukukhuluma nathi. Nanyana kunjalo, umnyango wezefundo esisekelo linilebona ukhulumisane nababika indaba ngosondo ngendaba le.
Kezemali randa liyabogaboga nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Esikhathini esingaphasi kwemizuzu eli-15 kusuka nje uyathoma umdlalo phakathi kubafana bafana neLiberia eOrlando Stadium. Lo mdlalo ngewokuhlungela iphaliswano leAFCON langomnyaka ozako. Umhajo wezemidlalo kuKwekwezi FM uJoseph Big Joe Dzima uyanaba ngomdlalo.
Umdlalo wanamhlanje phakathi kweLiberia nebafana bafana kuzokuba umdlalo obudisi. Zombili ingchema ziyafuna ukuthi umdlalo lozothumbe. Ngikutsho ukuthi ke isichema seLiberia nesichema sebafana bafana azinaphuzu ku group K. Zombili zabethwa yiMorocco ejameni bokthoma. Basibetha ngo-2-1, babetha iLiberia ngo-2-0. Kodwa ke na uqala ama rankings mhlawumnye uya ngawo ungathi siyongatha pholile lapha ke kuLiberia ngoba eAfrica phathina sijamela lapha ke ku position number 12, uqale iLiberia ijamela lapha ku position 46. Mhlawumnye na uqala lokho ke ungabona ngathi izinto zizakubalula. Kusho ukuthi simaseula Africa silindele ukuthi uGo Bruce afeze inthembiso zakhe. Wasithembisa nakafika ukuthi uzosijugulula isichema senaga asenze kube isichema esikhamba phambili.
Bafana uHugo Bruce uthi kade awulindele lo mdlalo wanamhlanje.
That everybody is ready, also mental, so now we have to show it on the pitch.
Umzombe wesibili phakathi kwalezi nqhema embili uzoba ngelesibili iveke ezako.
Iindaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube uthi SABC Iindaba zesiNdebele. Ubujamo bezulu buyalandela noSitshaba Mahlangu. Nibe nephela veke emnandi.